Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to do the box plots and the 5-number summary. So what I've set up here is I've got my girls' data, my boys' data, and then I've set up this. This is your 5-number summary. You need a minimum, a Q1, a median, a Q3, and a maximum, and that makes up your 5-number summary. So in here, I know minimum is easy to find, but I want you to start using the Excel tools. So if you click equals and then start writing min, there, double click it and then drag your boys' data. This is how you do it when it's not in order. And then close the bracket and press enter. We're going to do the same thing for our girls. So minimum, double click, drag your girls' data and press enter. And now for quartile 1, we do the same thing. Equals, core, and you want to do inclusive, double click, you drag it. Now, if you notice here, it says, it's underneath here, quart, you need to do a comma and then 1 for first quartile. You can double click that, end your bracket, press enter. Your median, same thing, equals med, grab it all, close the bracket, press enter. Quartile 3, so equals quart, inclusive, grab your numbers, comma 3 this time, we're doing the 3rd quartile, comma end, and then your max is just max. Drag the data. Enter. So that is your 5-number summary. You'll do it again for the girls. Let me just get rid of that. And now we are going to do our box plots. What I'm going to do is pick up this data here and just pop it next to this one here. There it is. Now I'm just going to drag both of them, insert, click this one, that's the stats one, and then the box plot. Now you'll notice it looks like this, looks quite shocking. So let's add an element. We want a axis title on both ones. So, and where's my other one? Primary. Give me 1 second. Just gonna delete that data. Delete. Insert. Box and whisker. No, I don't want that either. Alright, never mind. I want this one. Control C. Let's move it over here. Draw it again to our box and whisker and add in our elements again. Primary and vertical as well. Now let's just make it a bit bigger. Obviously give it a title, call it something down the bottom. You may on the bottom want to delete that because it doesn't really make much sense. Now, what you're going to do is right click here and you're going to format the axis. Now I want to make the minimum a lot bigger. I'm going to make it about 20, and the reason doing this, it stretches it a lot more. See how it starts at 20 now on here? So I can see them a lot better. I can see, I think this actually does the where your mean is. And you can see what's happened. Oh, that's actually a really nice set of data. It is nice. Okay, give it a title, pop it in and talk about it. Don't forget to label which one's boys and which one's girls. Like just a little thing on it will be fine, or somewhere down on the bottom you can write boys blue female orange. Just make sure it's underneath it. Okay.